Hi, my name is Cruz and I'm a Senior Developer Advocate at Grafana Labs. In this video tutorial, I'll quickly show you how you can add Grafana alerting to your dashboards. By the end of this tutorial, you should have an alert rule linked to a panel in your dashboard. When the condition in the alert rule has been breached, you should be able to see this as an annotation to your panel. As a prerequisite, make sure that you already have a panel created into your dashboard, and I've also configured a data source as part of this demo. In this case, I'll be using Prometheus. Now, let's get started. So here I have a panel called Traffic that visualizes the incoming traffic from this demo application called Grafana News. Let's say that I want to create an alert rule, and while we have a notification policy in place that sends out a notification to your chosen contact point, what if you also want to visualize these alerts as annotations to your dashboard? The good news is this can easily be configured with Grafana. To set this up, I'm going to click the Grafana menu icon here, navigate to alerting, and then let's just go ahead and click alert rules. Now, let's create a new alert rule, and I'm going to give my alert rule a name of, let's say, traffic alert. I'm going to use Prometheus as my data source, and I'm going to add my sample PromQL query. Now, let's scroll down, and then under rule type, make sure that this is set as Grafana manage. Then under the expression section, so we have our reduce and our threshold expression. The reduce expression here basically just returns the last value of our query, while the threshold expression checks if the value that's returned by this reduce expression is above a certain threshold. Now, for this demo, I'm going to use a very small threshold so that it's easy to test. So let's say I want to set it to 0.1. You can also quickly preview these expressions by clicking the preview button. Now, since one of the results is above 0.1, then you can see that the alert rule state is set to firing. So now I'm going to just provide a folder where the alert rule will be stored. So I'm going to check if I have any. I don't have any folder, so I'm just going to create a new one. I'll just call that test folder. And I'm also going to create an evaluation group. Now, I don't have any evaluation group set at the moment. So again, let's add a new group. And I'm going to set my evaluation interval to 10 seconds. Now, the evaluation interval is basically how often the alert rule should be evaluated. I've set it to 10 seconds so that we can test this change easily. I'll also update the pending period to 0 because I want the alert to fire immediately. To link this alerting, let's scroll down to the next section, which is the Add Annotation section. Now, I'm going to just click the link dashboard and panel and then select the panel that I want this alert rule to be linked to. So let's go ahead and confirm that. And let's go ahead and save rule and exit. Now, if I navigate back to my dashboard here, so let's click Grafana News, I can see that there is a red broken heart icon beside the panel title. Now, this signifies that the alert rule was triggered because the alert condition was met. And I can also see this red annotation here, which is visualized as this red vertical dotted line. And if I hover over the line, I can see a description of my alert. And there you have it. In this quick tutorial, I've shown you how you can add Grafana alerts to your dashboard. Let us know in the comment section down below if you found this video useful. And as always, happy visualizing!